So in the Excels, we have worked two type of the differences. First, we have stored the data, just like I have right here 500. So 500 stored in the A1. Okay, 200 stored in the B1. Second thing, the calculations. So no need to type every time. Just like I want to add 500 plus 200, 700 here. So that time we use the formula. Using the formula, we just press the equal, select the 500, give the operator for addition, that's like plus sign, and select the 200. And just press the enter, you got the result 700. So this called calculations. Okay. So two type of the calculation. First, calculation with the operators. Operator, it means plus, minus, multiply, divide, like that. And second thing, using the inbuilt formula, just like we apply the sum. Sum, we have select here and press the enter. We got the result. Okay. So sum is the inbuilt functions. So in the Excel have a many inbuilt functions for the different calculation. So next few classes we discuss the functions. So how can apply the functions. Okay. So now we have a start from the logical operator. What is the logical operator? Just like we write here some sales. Okay. And now I want to check which number is greater than 50. How can check? So that time we apply the logical operations. We have placed the equal. One thing remember, when you want to apply any formula, we just press the equal. Start from the equal. So press the equal, select the 85 and just give the sign greater than right here 50 and press the enter. We got the result true or false. We can also drag down. So we have checked the all numbers here. Okay. So if condition, if this operation is fulfilled, it means true. If this number is greater than 50, so the true, otherwise false. So we have logical operator just like equal is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and this is the not equal to. ठीक है?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes. The last one is not equal to.
This is the not equal to. Greater than, less. This is like right here 52, and we select here is greater than, less than, and greater than 50. It means not equal to 50. Numbers is less than 50 and greater than 50. It means not equal to 50. But the operator give only for result true and false. But sometime we need the result on requirement. Just like I want to give the incentive here. If each person say sell the greater than 50 quantity, then I want to give the 500 incentive. So without logical operations, we just write here, this is the 500, this is the 500, like that. If we 56, 65, so give the 500. But if you have lot of data, that time manual can't work. That time we have used the functions that call if. Okay, if. So if we first the logical here, true and false. So for the true and false, we have used the operations, logical operations. This A2 means A colon 2 number row. A2 value is greater than 50, then show 500, otherwise 0. Okay. Press the enter, got the result. Okay. So like here if, and we have select again apply, again we have apply here, right click is greater than 50, then 50, then show 500, otherwise 0. Now you can drag down and got the result below. Okay. I give you another example. Just like here is the people name and this is the marks, and I want to show the result. Okay. And some marks here. So I want to give the result pass and fail. If marks is greater than 40, then pass, otherwise fail. Okay. In the college, your college, all student marks sheet will be here. I want to show the pass and fail. So we give the example if and select this. This number is greater than equal to 40, then pass. But you don't enter the pass directly because pass is the text. And if you want to enter the text, you just give the quotation mark, double quotation mark. Right here, pass. Okay. And give the here fail. Okay. So if first apply the logical operation. If here true, then show the true positions. If so here false, show the false positions. Okay. Understand? Now you can also do the calculation with if formula. Just like this is the MRP. Okay. Or I want to calculate the tax. And condition is if MRP is greater than 500, then tax is the 12% of the MRP, and less than 500, then 5% of the MRP. That time we apply the formula if here, if select and give the conditions. A2 is greater than 500, then A2 multiply by 12%. Otherwise, select here A2 multiply by 5%. And press the enter, got the result. I again apply you for better understanding. Then if select this and give the conditions, if greater than 500, then the MRP it means A3 multiply of 12%. Otherwise, again select here and 5%. Press the enter, got the result. Okay. Understand?
Why can't we after doing it for row number 2, why can't we drag it down? Why do we have
Yeah,
to
I have said dragging down here because I have give the example the twice time for your better understand. So no need to enter the twice time. Okay, we write the once and just drag. But I have repeat. You can't say that please repeat, sir. So before you say, I also repeat.
Okay, no, that's fine, thank you.
Okay, but I want to sum different. Just like I have the data entry here, this is serial number, name, city, and amount. Okay. So we have one second. So we have type here data. So we have right here one number sequence number one. Give the puja, write the city Pune, and give the amount. Again, we write this two, serial number two, right here, Om, city is Noida, and amount is here. Okay. But every time we need to enter the sequence number manually. But my sequence number show the automatically. When you type the name here, sequence number coming automatically. So that time we apply the formula if and give the if B3 is greater than 0. Why give the greater than 0? So if your cell will have a blank, it means blank. Okay, blank it means 0.
Mm-hmm.
And if you type
Mm-hmm.
any type number, character, anything in the cell, it means greater than 0. So we write here B3, it means name cells will be greater than 0. It means somebody type here. That time we have
Mm-hmm.
just select this and plus the 1. Otherwise, we want to keep the blank. So we have just open the inverted comma and close the inverted comma and close the bracket and just place the enter. Now we have dragged
Mm-hmm.
down. Now we have write here name Om Inder Uday.
Mm-hmm.
Automatically serial number will be coming. So what I am doing? I just apply the function for if. We give the conditions.
Mm-hmm.
If B3 is greater than 0,
Enter everything.
that then
Mm-hmm.
A2 plus 1. A2 plus 1. It means above or above cell plus 1. Okay. Otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
blank.
Mm-hmm.
Understand?
Mm-hmm.
So with if formula, we have write anything. Okay. So just you understand
Mm-hmm.
illogical operations, we give the true and false. And when we have used the logical operation with if, that time we give the on result. So if operation will give the result true, then if so the your true part, and if is logical operation
All
give
right.
the false, then show the false
Can
part.
I can I can I ask something?
Yes, tell me.
Just go back again on that 500. I want to see the formula, the if statement.
Okay.
So the format of the if statement is if and then a condition and then
Yeah.
statement 1, statement 2, right?
Right. The logical test and the value
The
false,
logical
it means
test.
logical it is if true, so that these positions, and logical if
Value.
the false, the false positions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Logical test, value if true, value if false, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
right. So this is the very important formula when you have the large data sets. Okay, just like one second, I just show you. So the yeah, sorry, we have select the wrong data. Give me the minute. Yeah, this is the my data. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is the data set. This is the 10,000 row of the data, and this is the student
Mm-hmm.
fee and then revenue. So I want to show the here tax. Okay, this is the amount tax. So if you have the fixed tax rate, you just multiply and calculate the tax. But tax rate depending on the different conditions. It's like if revenue is greater than 20,000, then tax is about 12%. Below the 20,000, tax is the 5%.
Mm-hmm.
So that time we have applied here the if condition. If we select this is the 20,000 greater than 20,000, then we select and multiply by 12%. Otherwise, we again select multiply by the 5%. And just press the enter,
Mm-hmm.
got the result. And just drop down, drag down, and got the all result. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So easily we have calculate and we are ready to use my data with the if conditions.
Mm-hmm.
So if is the very important part, this is not as simple. But today is the day one, so we have give the simple. And tomorrow we have
Mm-hmm.
discussed the if in the nested if. But before the you starting the nested if, you have done the practice on the if.
And if send me
Okay.
kindly send me the thing, the data.
Okay. I have sent the different sheets. There is the different questions. Okay.
Yes.
Give me the minutes. Give me the minutes. Okay, I have give the put some questions on the if. You have do the question 1 to 5. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I just send the one file on WhatsApp. Download this file, and you have start doing. So tomorrow we have discussed on the nested if advanced if formula. But tomorrow, before the tomorrow, you have done the practice. Okay.